Welcome back, editors. Today, I'm going to show you how to boost the quality of your edits. And not just that, I'll also introduce you to an amazing app that helps enhance your video quality. And as a bonus, I'll share my secret source for downloading high-quality manga panels. So make sure to watch the video till the end. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon to get all notifications. Alright, let's jump straight into the video. First, open the Pinterest app. You can find this app on the Play Store. Go to the search bar and type the name of the character or anime, and then add manga panel or icon after it. Then simply download it. Here, you'll get high-quality manga panel editing materials. Everything you need is available on this app. Follow my steps. Open the Wink app. Select image quality. Select AI repair and adjust it the way I am doing.